What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Deberoo and today we're gonna do a live build. So we're gonna build an actual campaign from scratch, and that means to begin we need an offer. So right now I'm inside of ClickBank and we're going to the marketplace, which you can find right here. And in the marketplace, you'll find obviously all the offers ClickBank have right now. All right, so to begin, we have to choose on a vertical. And for this live build, let's say we're going for health and fitness, and let's do a dietary supplement. These kind of offers have been quite popular on native, so let's pick one of those. All right, so we've got research at the top, proven, Lepto Connect, Leptitox, very big one as well. Top tinnitus offer, all right, Biotox Gold, and you can see the gravity right here. So the gravity basically means how many people have successfully converted this offer recently. So let's go with research. We've had some experience with research and it is a pretty good offer. Besides that, their gravity is very well. So let's go with research. All right, so we've got our hop link generator. Just need to put in our account nickname and generate a hop link. All right, so we've got our hop link. Let's keep that on the side. And before we go any further, before we start creating, let's do some spying. Let's see what our competition is doing. So as spy tool, as you might know, we use Anstrax. Anstrax provides you with Anstrax push. And recently they've also added Anstrax dropship to spy on drop shippers. But for now, obviously, we're going for Anstrax native. All right, so ad network. For this offer, let's check, is in the USA. It is. So let's go for MGID. Or MJIT, whatever you prefer. So the ad network is MGID. We're gonna run this in the United States of America. Here we go. Platform, we're gonna run this on mobile. Language, let's just keep that open. Category, health. Do they have a diet? No, so it's gonna be under health. All right, affiliate network. Let's just keep that at all. Tracker, I don't really care. Sort by duration descending. So that would mean that we'll get the longest running ads first. Just to check, I'm gonna make the days running into at least 5 days running. And these are still at the top, so we're all good. Okay, let's take a look. Hearing aids, hearing aids, hearing aids. Think we need to be a little bit more specific, but I can see some weight loss right here. Over here as well, this is all weight loss. So do we need to specify? You know what? Let's get in dietary supplements. See if we can get any results. All right. Actually, oh, these are all, okay, they resetted all the other search options. So let's start with, you know what? Let's just get the offer in. Let's search for research. Research. All right. So now we want to see the results of the USA. Gonna run it on mobile. And we're gonna use MGID for this one. Two ads. All right. So a little too specific. Let's reset it all. Let's go into category health, country USA. Whoops. And let's see what we can find. This is still too generic, I feel like. So I guess we had to stick with our first shot. Ad network, whoops, ad network, MGID, country. Come on, work with me here, bro. Country. USA. Platform is going to be mobile. And category health. All right, so we're going to skip all these disgusting stuff. Let's sort it by duration descending. All right, let's see. Diabetes, dental. These two vegetables can kill your belly fat overnight. So that looks something like we are going to promote. Let's see their landing page. All right. Let's see if we can find some more. Diet expert tells all. It's like a power wash for your insides. Interesting. That's more like it. All right. Boiling bananas. This image, it's a good inspiration. Maybe we can get some fruit in there as well, but I want to go a little bit more extreme because these are obviously sliced up bananas and I want the effect of like, what the fuck is that? This one is more like that. You can still see it's like a lemon peel, but it's more of a weird picture than the bananas. Diet expert tells all, so that's the same affiliate. Whoops. Probably the same landing page. Yep, it is. All right. What else do we've got? 1 tablespoon of this tonight melts your belly fat like crazy. All right. So they use the Shark Tank angle. Interesting. So this is a keto offer. So using celebrities is not always allowed. So be careful when you want to use celebrities in your landing page or in your creatives, especially in your creatives. Let's see, what else? What else? Half a cup of this each morning will eat your belly fat like crazy. Is that weird landing? Yep. All right. Do this before bed and you'll never need a gym or diet. Same one. Okay. Do we have more? These 2 vegetables will kill your belly fat overnight. So this is actually a more interesting way of boiling bananas picture than the ones that we saw before, but I would look at something more like this. I believe this is a dragon fruit, but it's more out of the ordinary, right? It's more out of the box. And I can imagine people being like, what is this stuff? And is it really gonna help me lose weight? Do this before bed and you'll never need gym or diet. Same landing page, okay. All right, so we've got some inspiration. We saw a couple of good ones here. Let's just start with building our landing page. So for that, we'll go into Landerize.